What's happening, YouTube? Day Ripper 69 here on a very cold, wet, rainy morning in Dallas, Texas. Stopped off at McDonald's, had breakfast, and then I hit the Walmart for a little dessert. Another rack. 2011 Topps Chrome football. Let's see if we can get anything here.
Are you still amazed that people are punting the ball? Yeah, Golick thinks, Devin, that every punter who punts the ball in a place that you can catch it should be cut immediately.
We got Rob Hausler on top. Somebody shifted the cards. Obviously looking for Cam. I hope they didn't find him. Cameron Jordan. It's not Cameron Newton though. And Debo. Cool. Alright. First pack.
Can you describe what it feels like when you catch? Just take us inside your head. Alright, you catch a punt in a place where you have a little bit of room before you can see the guys that are going to
get Jerquez Rogers on top.
In your mind as you start running.
Casey Matthews. A Vincent Brown finest freshman. And a Carson Palmer. Back two. Got some color, got a blue coming up, guys, an AJ green on top. Ryan Torian blue. That's number 97/199, so that's cool. And another Jamie Harper X Fractor. I've pulled like 4 of these things. And Des Bryant. Final pack. More color. Dante Moach, Julius Peppers purple, 141/499, Niles Paul X Fractor, and a white guy Wes Welker on the back. Alright, well, I got a blue, so it's not too bad. Let's hope I don't freeze my butt off today.
I respect the heck out of it. I'd never put it to you.
Keep buying, keep trying. And as always, stay in the game, my thirsty friends.